Kartel kind of bring back dancehall, you know. I mean, really business is what people want to say.
It's true.
Like, it's just we know if he come finish the work again. Like, him do it and left it, give it, and now him come back and say, yo, I go ahead. See it again.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
And the youth them Dunce too.
Oh boy, you said it.
Dunce,
why you think they're so
Dunce?
Dunce? Because you them Dunce too.
Youth them Dunce.
I try to laugh,
Even
but it's a
certain
bad
words them not understand their music.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me did feel like my mother waste time with me and send me to school away. Me did too Dunce. And not even back in class, me out the door.
No, but you know what? I can hear it in your lyrics.
Yeah, man.
In your wordplay, but say something dead there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People, what go on? You don't know one Media Fox pan up. Don't big up the people them who respect the thing and you see me support the thing. But you know, some Mr. TJ make a statement, people, and a TJ opinion that, you know. Yeah, man, TJ opinion that. But you can have an opinion, but you know mean say the statement is factual. And it's a powerful thing, say, where we need to look and think about certain things before we talk. Because sometimes we might see things and think say I saw it go, and then know say, brother, you see something wrong. You understand? Because we never see what going on with the people, you see me?
Afro beats is taking influence, and sometimes UK rap with the drill kind of thing as well take influence. Where you see it going, moving forward?
Well, honestly, to me, Kartel kind of bring back dancehall. You know, I mean, really business is what people want to say.
It's true.
Like, it's just we know if he come finish the work again. Like, him do it and left it, give it, and now him come back and say, yo, I go ahead. See it again. Me feel so, honestly.
Yeah.
You get?
People, I don't know what wrong with TJ. The man just say, Kartel left dancehall, get away, and come back. Brother, Kartel found out last year him do some shows. You see, the social media world, it's different from the reality when it comes to dancehall, brother. You understand? Right now, Vice Kartel now do the amount of shows him do last year. See it? So if I that not go base it pan, it not gonna make no sense. Because I'm not do a bag of shows now. Only in a dancehall me sit on a tie one person bring back dancehall. Bro, one person cannot bring back a whole genre, bro. I don't know. I feel like say sometimes when I say this, forget some like attention towards somebody or some feel or the man say Vice Kartel left dancehall. Wasn't Vice Kartel releasing music from prison? I that more know like who created that? Dancehall wasn't there before Vice Kartel. So how say we for pick up back? TJ, you know they have a song with him Drift where you get a lot of features, collaboration where people want to do collaboration with Drift and all of them little things. So you're telling me never know say one artist could have left a whole genre with a bunch of artists. The man, I can't believe what the man does say, people. The man say Kartel left dancehall for we if you go and run it and him come take it up back. Yo. People, wait, I wait in a prison. Kartel stay and get goal. Kartel wasn't releasing music. So what him did there? What you mean by left dancehall? Wait there. I want make Kartel go prison. Me never hear someone talk about no other artists like this. Left that bring back dancehall. Brother, dancehall was always here, bro. You not look on some social media controversy reaction, brother. And that you not pre. Remember say Kartel forward with controversy and all of them. Look, the man forward from prison. Them not see him for much years. That go create a moment, bro. The demand, everything. You look on that and say, yo, dancehall bring back. Bro, I'm telling you now, not disrespect on own yourself, you know. Not disrespect the other artists, you know. How one artist out of a whole genre figure thousands of artists. One genre say, wait there, dance is dancehall one car Our dancehall at one house where Kartel go prison and give the key, the whole of the dancehall space, the key, if you go on holy house till him come back and him take back the key. And force me to hear this. Wanna get them statement here, bro? Eh? It's like, wanna make it seem like the rest of the artists them never done none. Brother, you have to understand say Kartel have the advantage over the artists them when it comes to the demand, bro. Kartel wasn't going a lot of these places. The dancehall artists them go a bag of place, so people are go tired to see them already. You understand? Remember say Kartel never go Canada. Kartel never yet go Canada yet. Him never go these places yet. United States too much years. UK, Europe, all of these places. So what do you expect? You know must say I'm gonna get the highest set of demand, especially a man for a man to put out a lot of hits. So I'm gonna use that to say, oh, the man bring back dancehall. Brother, it's like, I don't know, I'm not really sleep, you know. I'm not asleep. I'm not really asleep, bro. You understand? Because I realize I'm not use controversy for dancehall. Dancehall is not controversy, bro. Back then in the 80s and 90s, brother, we never use them thing about being back. Dancehall is music. You understand? Music. Anything we have to do with music or representation of music, that's dancehall, bro. You see me? Kartel just a pick up half away things them we never did that do. You see it? The place them we never did that go. That's it. You see me?
I mean, I say it was only Sean and Shaggy them doing the arenas shows and thing. No, even me, like me not even want to take a show.
Yo, people, when Buju Banton found out from prison, wasn't Buju Banton doing arenas? I don't understand this, bro. So if Buju Banton found out and I do arenas, so how nobody now give Buju Banton say, yo, oh, Buju Banton bring back a dancehall space. What happened? I don't understand this, bro. Somebody tell you say, well, the dancehall space, bro, I don't know anything. It's crazy.
Again, it's like me, I work so hard right now for no say, yo, we want to sold out Barclays or Madison Square or UBS and these things. So work really I put in right now for dancehall. Honestly.
Yeah, and Kartel, you know what? He's come and open the door again.
Come
He
on,
did, man.
man.
He did. Because even and me and Dunce, like I went Kartel O2. And me, I'm not even a dancehall man. Kartel and me outside. But that's why I feel like, it's dope. And the fact that you're jumping on it and utilizing the opportunity is a good thing. I think that everyone needs to, man, because the door's open again.
Right now, for good artists do good music. If you realize to me, 2 years ago, I feel like dancehall did a recycle. Artists bust 6 months, done. Next artist. Right now, the gate open back for good music again and good artists again. 100%.
Yo, people, where Teegay live? The man said dancehall did a recycle. Here, you know. Then the man say, yo, artist bust this time. Yeah. Brother, you are part of that. And I uno mash up on a career, my fam. Uno focus on controversy. All of them things, they don't focus on the wrong set of thing rather than building on a brand. Enough thing going on with you, my G. On the internet, a bag of thing. You understand? Remember, so one time, you and Ramesh now link. Then you go to the United States. And you say, oh, you don't know what to do. And Sharon Burke link you. Remember you come out some say that. Sharon Burke link you and you have a piece of food and she generate back your thing. You understand? You have, so Teegay, so you're telling me you have drift song. And that song they do well in a dancehall. See? And you tell me, say, what you contribute is nothing. That no do nothing for dancehall. That you try say? Brother, let me tell you this. One artist cannot generate a culture, bro. You might seem that based on social media wise, but it's not, my fam. You understand? Because we see a Kartel for the road and music is not doing well for him. Based on how them look at him as a goat in the game. You understand? So you might seem to that because of the social media repost them and them bag of thing there. But it's not that, my fam. You understand? Kartel drop a lot of songs and certain little things and we don't see the effect, my G. You understand? Yeah, him do look collaboration and them little thing there, bro. But I feel like when I just run with just hype with Kartel, I just hype when I use and say, oh, the hype is dancehall. And I saw it go, bro. You understand? Una get tricked. And that's the problem, brother. Because una no focus on music when it comes to una as an artist, you know. Una focus on different thing and damage on a brand that I want to do, my G. Una follow with a bag of badness, all of them little things. Una focus on a brand, dog. Una brandish, una dip on Instagram live, this, that, way. Una come on out and say that's why una last for 6 months. Because una supposed to feed on fans with music alone. Una turning yourself in the internet meme and dip and this and that, brother. That's why I wanna drop off a farm. And now build on a brand. You see me? That was the thing. You see, that's why enough I wanna just fall back and all of them little thing there. Vice Kartel, build him catalog. You see me? Him good. Right now, him have to use the controversy, bro. It's not really working for him with the music because the space is different now when it comes to music / social media. Social media more powerful visually than the music. If you fall out and do something, if you say, yo, you're going to promote your music right now, trust me, them not going to really meds your music like that, my G. Them are meds what you do in the video or whatever. I saw the social media space. So if I saw it, it not going to work like back then, bro. Because social media kind of overshadow the thing. You see me?
That's how I feel about it. It's just you have to just do the work and not really get too lazy.
Man. And don't you think it's mad that there's certain artists that have been out, like obviously Kartel went Joe, innit? So he's been away for a minute. You get me? But there's people like your Beanie Man, the Elephant Man. There's a lot of artists that have been outside and not been able to open that door again, innit?
True, but something happened, I don't know. It's like a time, what do you call that now? It's like evolve people are evolve. I don't know how devolve Jamaicans are devolve for that music. Because the reason why I say that, my son, is like, them man, they don't want to hear certain music.
Yeah.
It's like the music, like how me used to say, those are the happiest days. Me don't know if you sing about them chopping sit there with them. So now me have to go put myself in a position to go sing a chopper song for my son here, I like it.
Yeah.
It's like it make you even forget the type of artist you'll be. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
But right now, from other day, I see some nice song about back.
And you see it now, people. You see why them drop off a farm now. You hear what them just say? You see, sometime, you don't have to mingle, bro. You don't have to follow the crowd, my G. You understand? You can do some and that's the problem. It's like when you see other artists lead down the part there and then flap themselves and then no follow. You understand? You don't have to do it because it are the trend. And that is a problem in a dancehall, bro. You understand? Rather than being a leader, you prefer being a follower so you can get the clout and get the trending. You follow too much trend, my fam. And that's the problem.
Again.
Yeah.
Nice,
You have to stay true to what you is and what you believe
in.
And I feel like, you're right. Like, Kartel coming back out and bringing back the essence of it all was kind of maybe...
Because Kartel stays Kartel. You understand? Whatever's going on.
His new stuff is popping, but it's like he's been able to read... Because people have missed even going out to listen to his old stuff because he went jail. So for the last, how many years he's been locked up, no one has been able to party, dance to his thing. You know what I mean? So it's kind of brought the essence back. You know what I mean?
The man just say, through Kartel lock up, nobody couldn't get for dance to him song and all of them look at him. I understand that's it. Bro, Kartel just found out and the people them just happy to see him. Them never see him yet. Enough people in the world never see Kartel yet because him couldn't fly. You understand? And it was a short space of time till him get like the controversy, the songs, them every little thing since 2011. You understand? And then him end up get ditched in a prison or whatsoever. So a lot of people don't get to see him. So imagine that. You see me? So right now, everybody get to see him, or them are going to want to see him. Them never. Imagine the Canada people, them will never yet see Kartel. Who live out of Canada, maybe. You see me? Them not see him, none at all. What you mean? Wouldn't expect none of them artists here not really get that chance. You see me? Them they are road, them live good, them not get themselves in a problem. People see them. Because you can be a Jamaica, you know, and people fly in for see, you know. Them still a see you. You not for going to them country. Kartel never have the opportunity there. Him did lock up. When him come to Jamaica fly 50 times, them couldn't see him. So when him found out no one fly going to feed them country, them are going to want to see him, brother, because him have the more demand than every other artist in Jamaica. You understand? And that's the problem, you know. Remember, say, him have him influence on everything. So imagine nobody never yet see him. Some couldn't get to see him. Remember, say, dancehall artists get, nobody not see them for so much years, like 13 years. Which other dancehall artists? Buju are the same thing. Buju did a lot of do arenas and all of them look a thing there, brother. You see me? A bag of thing. Remember say Buju could have fly when Kartel couldn't fly now. You understand? So people did have see him. So him get the lock up now and everything. When man found out, him man do arena, big show, everything. See him way. You see me? But Kartel, him never see him none at all because he couldn't fly when Buju fly. So that's why that little thing they kind of different. Them see Shaggy, them see Champa, them see Elephant Man, everything. And where the Elephant Man get back in Canada visa? You understand? But why? It maybe not go high demand like Kartel because why? Them could have go United States go see Elephant, them could have go UK go see him, them could have go Jamaica go see him and some other islands. So that's why it's different. It cut him demand short. Kartel, imagine compile all of that. Them not see him none at all. You understand? These are the things you're supposed to look and understand. You see me?
And if you really realize like even girl music, girl song stimulate attention, Even, like enough time you see people that text, why TJ not sing them music? Bro, people them know I hear them music.
I don't want to hear it
I've been doing this music. Come on.
Yeah.
You just choose not to find them, not to listen to them because of them other type of music you want to go on now. You get what I say? You have a problem with them, not it sound like there's a problem.
But you know, you're making me know that it's the same everywhere in the world. But you know what it is?
Yes,
It's as the words change and the youth them how they are, they don't want to hear certain
And
things.
you them Dunce too.
Boy, you
You
said
them
it.
Dunce.
Why you say that so
Real
Dunce? Because you them Dunce too.
You them Dunce.
I try to laugh,
Even
but it's
some
not
words
bad.
they don't understand it.
Yeah.
So you can't even try. You get what I'm saying?
You got basic, you got dumb it down for them.
lyrics.
Too much social media and social.
Basic lyrics.
Yeah.
It's true, man.
It's true. You have to make the lyrics and
dumb
basic.
it down for them, man. Too much words and they start saying it's all too.
Jano. So man say you them Dunce. Them can't understand certain words. Jaja youth. Jano.
Machine of it that you girl a goggle ball. If song, 2 girls song, everybody say, money replace. By next week, I will see one say, oh, money say the same thing. Next artist.
Yeah.
And it's them man that always looking for the new thing.
Social media as well, it's the same with everything.
Yeah.
The microwave thing we call it. You
microwave,
understand? Just come there and go look like, what's his name? Where's Byron Messiah?
Fuck.
You see what I'm saying to you? And he was the biggest thing a minute ago. We don't hear about him over here again the same
boy,
way it goes. But you have to aim for longevity. What you're on, you should get hope by God's grace, you get a long run with it, bitch.
Yeah.
You should get a long run.
Yeah. Byron did. Innit?
Yo, I want to TJ. Maybe three man Byron Messiah not too deal. Remember them do a clashing and so 3 man them say yo, want to Byron Messiah him not get nothing. But TJ now go out with nothing right now. After him get drift, him not get no more song after that. So I see him think Byron Messiah him not go out with nothing right now. You see me? Them just a try remarket him right now and I try do a thing. You see it? So him not really. You see me, at the end of the day, Byron Messiah have a big song too. You see me? So let's see. The artists don't really focus on the brand and building them brand, you know. Different thing them focus on.
I'm sorry. Because I know when you want to tell the thing, when you said it, I just remembered it because my brother must have sent me a picture and showed me. I don't listen to him. But yeah, bare gold, he look like Slip the Rick, you know, like Rick the Ruler. He look like.
We move. But
We can't discuss other artists as he said.
no, back to that.
The man them punch me in my face. I think I don't finish until it's up on the
internet. All till the last minute you could add something.
But it's not the time for just get up and oh, that girl can, right?
Now that you see, like before, when artists used to just jump on any rhythm, yeah, is it a thing now? Like if I got a rhythm that's jumping, then
It's okay, my song them, man.
yeah,
You get what I say?
Yeah.
So you're like, from ear the rhythm there, catch me on the next chocolate, man.
yeah. I'm saying, and
Right now, I'm saying advice that check go make sure you say advice. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Because you don't really care about the producer and just feel like if somebody go to the producer and say, if I say rhythm, you can say, yeah, man, a good youth, man.
that man, like it's really
The same
man,
everywhere.
kind of giving you credit.
That's reached out or that's made you
Not
know.
really drift still, but
That's what I'm saying.
I
Whatever
remember
my mind
when
up.
Burna Boy come Jamaica
Yeah.
for his birthday.
Yeah.
I say, yo, you know how long me I listen to you?
Come on, sing.
And it's like him sing a song for me when me wouldn't even expect somebody to sing.
Yeah.
I swear, I say, yo, we just go on with it. You get me? And I say, yeah, man, I'm so clean like Jesus. And I sing a song and I say, but it's like him know the song, him know it word I go bust. That make me feel good like
No, that
yo,
make you.
You let down yourself, dog. You let down yourself. You see me? You say one good dancer and forward back and take it back. And you the out here. Remember, you know, Burna Boy a big world artist, you know. And the man inspired by your music. And you make it feel like, say, yo, you know, contribute. And then big artists, yeah, listen to your music, dog. See, no no sense, brother. Uno, it's like you have the strength for give everybody or give a man a credit based on where you contribute to as well. You not credit yourself. You understand? You not do nothing for yourself. Burna Boy know your music. And Ray, mean say brother, your music a go out there. You represent dancehall. You see me? Your music a reach out there and people a listen to it. You understand? And at that with Uno, bro, Uno give no one yourself the credit, brother. You see me? Uno prefer give somebody else. You see it? When people out there, even people who are bigger than Uno as artists and inspired by no music, Uno still not going to sell the credit, brother. You understand? Uno just living at this illusion, internet controversy thing, hype thing, bro. And because you maybe want you see me, an endorsement or attention from a person, a bag of things, so you just follow out and say, I say them thing there. Because you said them thing there, brother, just forget certain highlights. Because if I never saw, you wouldn't say, yo, you not care what nobody want to say. You understand? So many times I just follow out and say things, bro, and not think what I want to say, brother. You see me? I just that.
Cause that's even sicker than when they just know drift, brother. See when the man knows your back catalogue and what you're really dealing with.
Real talk.
And from Burna Boy as well, you know.
Yeah, man.
But as a music man, though.
He's a music man, I know.
He's 100% in my
Yeah.
music.
But people, big up yourself, you know. You understand? Just big up yourself. At the end of the day, everybody a contribute to dancehall. Every artist, you see me? one person can't do it. I don't know, I wanna get that illusion. I never see this in a Afrobeat and R&B and them thing there. When they talk about yo, man go prison and left dancehall and come back feet. I say what? How much American artists very great? You think them gonna talk about man go prison and come back come? Bro, I don't know what kind of world I live in, brother. You understand? I'm kind of realize that yo, I have more faith in a personal career and what them do than fool, brother, and that's why we not survive long in the business. Rather than focus on a brand and building a brand and credited on a brand. You understand? And I prefer credited somebody else one, but I just one of them things, people. You see it? At the end of the day, this is my sense to the situation because I don't know we want to get this thing. You see me? Yeah, but people, you don't know. Big up on yourself. I want me the facts on you.